Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia. I talk about all things curly, beauty, and lifestyle. For today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing a product line that I purchased about a week ago, and I've been so intrigued by this brand. I've just never actually tried them. So I actually picked up a few products from their new collection that released a few weeks ago, and I figured I would review them for you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing me review these products, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and then I will drop my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. So the collection that I'm actually going to review for you guys is the TGIN Rose Water Collection. I was so intrigued by their pretty pink packaging. It's very simple, but when I see pink, I need to pick it up. I don't know. I was so intrigued. I've been wanting to try this brand, but I've never brought myself to actually purchase anything from this brand. And I've heard really good things about their deep conditioners. So far I already washed and deep conditioned my hair using both of their products. So I'll start off with their shampoo. My hair was actually not super dirty when I used this product. My hair was about maybe 4 days old, so it wasn't too bad. I started off by using the TGIN Rose Water Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo. So my hair, like I said, was not super duper dirty. It was about 4 days old, so it wasn't covered in buildup or anything crazy. So I'll be honest, the shampoo was okay. I'm really hard to please when it comes to shampoos because I feel like essentially they all do the same thing. But overall, it did a good job at making my scalp feel clean. It made my hair feel soft. It didn't make it feel stripped. It's okay. Would I repurchase? I'm not sure. I do want to give it a few more uses because I've only tried it once. But overall, I have nothing bad to say. It worked really well in my hair. It didn't make it tangled. It didn't make it feel dry, which is a plus. But again, I'm very difficult to please when it comes to shampoos. I'm someone who, when I pick up a collection to try, a shampoo is not always the first thing that I grab. So I figured I'd try the shampoo overall just for the sake of this video and to just give you guys an overall review. So a little does go a long way, which is a good plus to it. It's very lightweight, but it lathers up really well. So, I mean, I have nothing negative to say. But it does work really well for the most part, and it made my scalp and my hair feel super clean. So if you're someone who's always looking for a new shampoo to try, I'm not against this one, but I don't know if I would repurchase it. So I'm infamous for trying products and not actually thoroughly reading directions. So I decided to go exactly based off what the back of the bottle says. So I shampooed my hair using this product, and then it says to follow up with the conditioner. I thought it was a little crazy. I don't know exactly if this collection has a conditioner. If I would have seen it at Ulta, I definitely would have picked it up. So maybe it didn't release yet. I don't know. All I know is that I didn't see it on the Ulta website, so I didn't pick it up. So I ended up just following up with the deep conditioner. What I did use was the TGIN Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. Again, I'm a sucker for pink, so I really thought that the actual product was gonna be pink, but it's just the packaging. It's what? Ooh. Oh my, why do I always do this? Okay, well, I was just gonna share with you guys the consistency of this product, but I just dropped it all over my floor. So as you guys can see, this product is very runny. So I was gonna share that with you guys. This is a very runny product, and it's all over my floor. So let me pick that up and then I'll come back and finish that thought.
2 hours later.
Alright, so I'm back now. So I just actually rinsed it out of my hair, and I want to show you guys how my hair looks. So, okay, the deep conditioner. Very runny, so I was a little like, I don't know how I feel about a runny deep conditioner because I like, typically thicker products work better for my hair. But guys, this deep conditioner is the real deal. Product actually shook me. This product is amazing. So the second that I put it in my hair, I noticed that it had so much slip, and I was like, okay, this could work. And as I was brushing it and raking it through my hair was just soaking it up, and it loved it. So the only thing is that if you are on the curly girl method, this does have silicones. But overall, I was very impressed by the way this worked in my hair, and I added a little heat to it, and my hair loved it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like because I just rinsed it out just now. And my hair feels super soft, super hydrated. I'm definitely a fan. I would 1000% repick this up because this was amazing and it smells so good. If you are a fan of a rosy scent, this has such a light, rosy yet refreshing scent and I love it. I love it. Such a fan. Alright, so I figured I would style my hair for you guys on camera so you guys can see how these products work for me in live time and you can kind of catch my reaction as I put them in my hair for the first time. So I'm actually going to start off with the TGIN Rose Water Smoothing Leave-In Conditioner. Cool leave-in formula. Doesn't seem anything too crazy. Feels super soft. Let's see how it feels in my hair. Okay, feels okay. Normally it's not instant for me. It's kind of like I have to rake it through, brush it through, and I'm like, oh, look at that go. Okay, products, okay. Actually going to section my hair and apply the leave-in. And then I also have the gel to follow up with. So that's what I'm excited to try. Because I'm always looking for a new gel to try. I'm always looking for a new gel. So I'm going to part my hair in smaller sections. So that way I could actually thoroughly work the product throughout my hair. Because I normally don't make a big deal out of the sections. But I probably should part in smaller sections, being that my hair is super thick. But I'm just lazy sometimes, so it's hard for me to just like do the same thing all over and all over. So I'm actually gonna just brush through my hair just to make sure there's no tangles. I'm using the Curl Keeper Flexi Brush, no surprise. Let's see how this works. Okay. It does feel soft in my hair, I'm not gonna lie, it does feel good. Now let me just brush that through my hair and see. Alright, so the next product that we're going to style with is the Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. Super pretty. I'm excited to see how this works in my hair because I'm such a gel junkie, so if this works really well, I'll be really excited. So let's see. I also was kind of hoping that these products would be pink too, like the actual product itself. So I'm going to take this amount and just apply it to the section. Doesn't feel sticky. You guys can see it kind of just feels very lightweight. So let's see how this is going to work in my hair. Ooh, it smells really rosy. I like that. So I grabbed a few more pumps because, you know, I'm a little heavy-handed when it comes to gels. Alright. Overall, it feels super soft. I do feel like it's going to give me more of a lightweight hold though, so I don't know how I feel about it. It always all depends. I can never tell when it's a lightweight gel. I can never really tell how it's going to turn out till the end. So I'm always just like fingers crossed. But overall, it does feel really nice in my hair. Let me brush it through. Let's see if it clumps together. Add a little gel to this side because I don't think it got enough. I have to move the shampoo before I start adding shampoo to my hair. I've done that. When I keep the products together in one space and they look the same, because the bottles for the shampoo and the gel are the same, I've actually used the shampoo during styling and that completely ruined my entire wash and go. So there's that. Alright, so this is how the first section looks. Not bad, not bad. Looks defined. Definitely, like I said, a lighter hold because there's not much clumping going on. Alright, so I'm actually going to do the same thing throughout the rest of my hair and speed up the rest of this video just so you guys don't get bored. And I'm going to start with the leave-in and then follow up with the gel for the rest of my hair so we can see how it goes. So it doesn't look like it's going to do anything too crazy because it looks a little... Yikes. Maybe I'll add a little bit more gel and see what happens, but it's definitely starting to get a little poofy. But again, if this is how it's supposed to work in my hair, that's how it's supposed to work, like amen. But we'll see. We'll see. Let me finish the rest of my hair and then I will check in on you guys afterwards. Alright guys, so I fully styled my hair using the leave-in and the gel, and these are my results so far. So it's very lightweight from what it looks like. It doesn't seem super defined. Overall, the two products felt like it worked pretty okay in my hair. I definitely do have a lot more frizz than I normally would have on a wash day, but I'm not gonna knock it till it's fully dry, because I've also had results like this where they've been less defined, but they come out looking gorgeous. So I don't think my results are gonna turn out bad. I'm not sure how they're gonna turn out, but I hope that they turn out bomb. I don't really wanna touch it because I don't wanna add more frizz to it, but from what it looks like, it definitely has more frizz than it normally would have. But I'm also super used to having my hair a certain way, so whenever I don't have it that way, I always think it looks weird. So let's see how the results turn out. I am gonna air dry because it's another really, really pretty day out. So I figured why not just air dry and see how my results turn out. But yeah, so these are my results so far. And I will check in with you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, so these are my final results using the TGIN Rose Water Collection. I'm not mad at these results. I definitely expected them to be a lot bigger. But if you guys can see, there's definitely a lot more frizz than what I'm used to. So I don't know how long this wash and go would last me. But overall, the results don't look too bad. Definitely not as much definition as I'm used to. There's a lot of frizz going on, and I noticed that the front areas, if you can see the front pieces, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the front pieces didn't curl as well. Kind of frizzy, but overall, not too bad. I'm not mad at these results, but I definitely would have liked if the gel had a little bit more hold. But my hair feels soft, it smells really good, there's no crunch, little to no crunch, and I haven't even fluffed it out. This is just the natural volume that I got from this product. We're not mad at these results. We're not too mad. So would I suggest buying the entire collection? So I think if your hair is less dense and does better with lightweight products, this is 100% a collection for you. But all in all, from this collection, what I definitely would re-pick up is that deep conditioner, which I loved, completely loved. I would 1000% go back and buy it. And the leave-in was not too bad. I do like the way it paired up together. If I'm looking for a day where I kind of just want more of a natural look, less defined, and kind of just my hair doing its thing, then I would definitely re-pick up these products. But I don't see myself picking up that gel again. It's definitely not a gel for my curls. I feel like, yes, it worked for what it needed to work for, but it doesn't give me the definition and hold that I normally would prefer. So yeah, these are my results. Very pretty. I do think it would work better for someone who needs a lighter weight gel for better hold. But I'm not mad at these results, guys. I am not mad. Very pretty, just bigger, more voluminous curls, which is never a bad thing. So not bad, TGIN. I will check in with you guys in a few days to see how it turns out. So just stay tuned for that on my Instagram. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That is all for today's video. If you guys want me to review any certain collections, go ahead and comment them down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!